You want help?
Yeah.
You want it on the light?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, okay. Right there.
Two.
What about this one?
A blue.
Whoa, that's a star. Oh, oops.
What is it?
Show her. Show Tata.
A star?
Oh.
Very
Pretty.
pretty.
A baby.
Where do you want it? Do you want it up high?
No.
Come here. I'll help
No.
you. No?
Say okay.
Okay.
Come here. Put it right here. All done? You didn't put it on. Where do you want to put it? You just want to play with it?
Okay.
Okay. You're just gonna hold. Okay, you're just going to hold on to that one.
Okay.
Oh, okay. What about? Look, I have a birdhouse. Where do you want to put that one? You like the star better? Better. Yeah, I'm going to put it right here. Okay. What's in here? What is it? Is it reindeer? Look, it's reindeer. Should we put him on the tree? Like this. Look. Is that one going to have a friend?